today I have this box that I got. It is an air compressor. It has 2 cylinders. The guy from Amazon, they sent it to me. So in the description I'll be putting the link to this product and also a coupon code if you're interested in checking it out. So let's go. You want to help me take this out the box?
Yeah, I want to take out the box. You want to take out the box?
Alright, Jesse, so what we got in the box?
We got this bag, the hose thing,
a bag.
Also, management manuals. It also comes with the big John starter coils.
It's got a 1-year warranty for
this
2-cylinder air compressor. Don't worry about the typo, it's still under warranty. Most of the air compressors that I've seen, you might have seen my VIAR test 88P, which is a great air compressor. I believe that is a single cylinder, and this one's a double cylinder. So it's got a gauge, right, Jesse?
Yeah, it's got a gauge.
It's got a cool flashlight.
It has a switch for the 2 sides.
The hose is attached here, and you have to screw that in, right?
Yeah, it has this wires connected to the battery.
So you could connect it to the cigarette lighter,
the battery,
or directly to the battery, right?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and start threading that hose to this hose here, because we're going to do our test in a little bit.
Yeah, we're going to do it here now.
Go ahead and just pull on the other end and walk away and see how far you are. So here's the back end. Let's see how far back you can go without knocking it over. That's pretty far. You're almost in the front. You're easily 10 feet away. So it's a pretty good cord. It would knock this over if you put it on the side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use these cool JT Brooks deflators that I had before. Let's go ahead and air down a couple tires and fill up the compressor. So the reason why you have a compressor is you want to inflate tires, and the reason why I have these deflators because I want to deflate the tires going off-road. Pull on it, Jesse, so the air comes out. Let go.
I'm helping Dad.
What's that, Mommy? What's that car?
It stopped.
Or have Jesse start the car, I should say. And let's see what's my air pressure, and what we want to do is run the compressor with the car running so we're not going to drain the battery. Go ahead, Jesse.
Yeah, I'm going to press the clutch while inserting the key and turn it to on.
And it's in neutral. Jesse, let's show them the screen. So I eyeballed it at 20, it went to 18, so that's pretty good. Just go back again. Everything else is 33 to 34. So that's our target pressure. Positive first, and negative next.
I need to tighten that
Right now it's reading 0. So it's saying it's 25 right now. I want to get to 34. It's about 24.
I almost hit the back bend many times. $31.
31. It's not hot. It's slightly warm, which is pretty good. And I think it's because it's a dual cylinder.
33 now.
Alright, let's turn it off. That's it, guys. If this is something you want to try, give it a shot. Link is below for the Amazon description. I want to say thanks to Jesse